Hi guys, welcome to TurboGrid. Hyundai Alcazar has recently been launched in India and is yet another solid offering from Hyundai. It is positioned above Creta and is a direct competition to MG Hector Plus and Tata Safari. Alcazar packs in a good amount of features, but will they be enough for Alcazar to be a new segment leader? Let's find out by doing a detailed analysis of all the variants. But before we go ahead, for more such videos, remember to subscribe TurboGrid and don't forget to hit the bell icon. First, let's talk about design. Alcazar is an extended Creta with some good cosmetic upgrades. If we look at the front of the car, we have new imposing grille which draws inspiration from much expensive Hyundai Palisade. On the side, though Alcazar is 200 mm longer than Creta, but Hyundai has managed to keep a proper SUV stance with well-balanced proportions. It definitely doesn't look like a bushed-up MUV trying to be an SUV. On the rear, it looks rather simple but classy and is much better than the over-styled Creta. You can even draw resemblances from Ford Endeavour. On the inside, you're treated with a Creta-like dashboard. The only difference here is that you get a dark brown color theme versus the greige interiors on Creta. Also, some additional features of a Creta are on offer, about which we will talk in detail in the variants section. Alcazar is available with 6 and 7-seater configuration. Now let's move to size. In all three dimensions, Alcazar is shortest versus its competitors and by quite a margin. However, still it has the longest wheelbase in the segment. It also has the largest boot with all three rows up. Now let's look at the color options. Alcazar comes with 6 single-tone and 2 dual-tone color options. Dual-tone colors are available only in the top signature variant. First, we have brown, then silver, then grey, dark blue, white, and black. In dual tone, we have grey with black and white with black. Our favorites are the new Tiger Brown and Starry Night. Now let's talk about engine options. Alcazar is offered with a new 2-liter petrol engine and already tested 1.5-liter diesel engine. Tata Safari doesn't come with a petrol engine, so the only competition in petrol is with MG Hector Plus. Though Alcazar's engine is a more powerful motor, but being a turbocharged engine, MG Hector Plus is able to generate more torque. In petrol, Alcazar comes with a 6-speed manual transmission and a 6-speed automatic torque converter. In Hector, you get an option of DCT or a CVT. In diesel, Alcazar is the least powered motor. But being a less powerful engine results in best claimed fuel efficiency figure. Also, Alcazar comes with a 6-speed manual transmission and a 6-speed automatic torque converter in diesel, later of which is missing in Hector Plus. Let's now move on to variants. Prestige. Though Prestige is the base variant, but it is heavily packed and is as good as at least the second top variant of competition. It is also priced accordingly. Alcazar's manual transmission model price starts at 16.3 lakhs for petrol and 16.5 lakhs for diesel, and we believe it is correctly priced. Diesel is a weaker motor and that's why there is not much price gap between petrol and diesel. However, if we look at the automatic variants, whether in petrol or diesel, Hyundai is charging 1.5 lakhs over the manual models, which we believe is exorbitant considering that automatic is just a torque converter. We believe you will be paying a premium of 70 to 80,000 if you go for automatic models. We have also compared Alcazar's this variant prices with the Hector's second top variant Smart. Hector's Smart variant comes with a DCT or CVT and is 43,000 cheaper than Alcazar's automatic torque converter. However, in diesel manual, Alcazar is cheaper by 1.5 lakhs. Now let's take a closer look at key features of this variant. On the safety front, from the Prestige variant itself, Alcazar is sufficiently equipped. It gets hill assist control, vehicle stability management, electronic stability control, rear parking sensor, rear wiper and defogger, rear parking camera, dual airbags, ABS with EBD, auto dimming mirror and tire pressure monitoring system. On the exterior, key highlights are front chrome grille, LED headlamps with DRLs, LED fog lamps, 17-inch alloy wheels, LED tail lamps, twin exhaust pipe, chrome garnished tailgate, and chrome door handles. On the inside, it gets panoramic sunroof, 10.25-inch touchscreen with Blue Ink connected car features, 6 speakers, Archimedes system, 7-inch digital instrument cluster, front wireless charger, rear wireless charger, drive and traction modes, and integrated air purifier with AQI display. Some other highlights are electrically adjustable ORVMs with auto fold function, fully automatic AC with third row having speed control, really cool front row sliding sun visor, one touch fold second row seats, rear window sunshade, inbuilt folding table with retractable cup holders, cooled glove box, and 64 colors ambient lighting. Here is the list of all the features in this variant. This variant is quite heavily packed, and we believe as Hyundai wanted to keep Alcazar as a premium offering, they're not offering it in under-equipped low-priced variants. Now let's move to our next variant. Platinum. This variant is priced 1.9 lakhs over the Prestige variant in manual and 1.6 lakhs in automatic. According to us, the amount of additional features you get in this variant are worth closer to 1.2 lakhs. So if you choose this variant, you would be paying a premium. Key additional features in this variant are rear seat neck cushion, puddle lamps with Hyundai logo projection, air purifier even in the manual variant, 8-way power adjust driver seat, 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster, 360-degree camera, leather seats, side foot step only in automatic, 8-speaker surround Bose system, and 6 airbags. Here is the list of all the additional features over Prestige in this variant. Now let's move to our next variant. Signature. This is the top variant and will be available only from selected Hyundai showrooms. This variant is priced 20 to 30,000 more expensive than the Platinum variant and just offers 2 more additional features. This variant is available only in 6-seater configuration. Additional features in this variant are front row ventilated seats and front parking sensors. Also, you get an option of dual tone in this variant. Hyundai Alcazar is a premium offering from Hyundai, and that's why they have offered it in only fully equipped variants. Our recommendation would be the base variant Prestige, especially the manual. Its pricing is spot on in petrol as well as diesel. If you're looking at automatic, we suggest you skip this one and go for MG Hector Plus in petrol and Tata Safari in diesel, as a torque converter should not have a premium of 1.5 lakhs. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon.